primitive or simple int string date in MyBatis. We are focusing on primitive or simple int string date etc. Int these are as outputs. Int corresponding Java type is java.lang.long. Corresponding CLR type is system.int64. String Java type is java.lang.string. CLR type is system.string. Date Java type is java.sql.date generally. CLR type is system.datetime. As an example, we can consider this. Here in the int, here corresponding Java type is java.lang.long. As an example too, we can consider this one string. Here corresponding Java type is java.lang.string. As an example 3, we can consider this one. The corresponding Java type is java.sql.datetime generally. Here date. And now we are considering type handlers. Here's a Boolean type handler. This is in the Java types. For the Java types, java.lang.boolean and Boolean, simple Boolean. JDBC type any compatible Boolean. This is in the class Boolean type handler. This is in the package org.apache.ibatis.type. Now we are considering type handlers. For example, here the interface mapped JDBC. The annotation interface map JDBC types. The annotation that is specified JDBC types to map the map type handler. This is in the package org.apache.ibatis.type. ibatis.type. Whenever MyBatis sets a parameter on a prepared statement or retrieve a value from a result set, a type handler is used to retrieve a value in a means to inappropriate to the Java type. You can override the simple type handlers to create your own to deal with unsupported or non-standard type. To do so, implement the interface org.apache.ibatis.type handler or extend the convenience class org.apache.ibatis.type base type handler and optionally map it to a JDBC type. For example, here using such a type handler would override the existing type handler for Java string properties and varchar parameters and results. Note the MyBatis does not introspect upon the database metadata to determine the type, so you must specify that it's a varchar field in the parameter and result mapping to look to hook the correct type handler. This is due to the fact that MyBatis is unaware of data type until the statement is executed. MyBatis will know the Java type that you want to handle with this type handler by introspecting its generic type, but you can override this behavior by two means: adding Java type attribute to the type handler element, for example Java type equal string, adding map type annotation to your type handler class, specifying the list of Java type associated with it. This annotation will be ignored if the Java type attribute has also been specified. Associated JDBC type can be specified in two means: adding a JDBC type attribute to the type handler element, for example JDBC type equal varchar. Adding mapped JDBC types annotation to a type handler class is specifying the list of JDBC type associated with it. This annotation will be ignored if the Java type JDBC type annotation has also been specified. By deciding which type handler to use in the result map, Java type also known from the result type, but the JDBC type is unknown. MyBatis therefore uses combination of Java type equal the Java type, JDBC type equal null to choose a type handler. This means that using at mapped JDBC types annotation restrict the scope of a type handler and make it unavailable for use in result map unless explicitly set. To make the type handler available for use in the result map, set include a null JDBC type equal true on the mapped JDBC types annotation. Since MyBatis 3.4.0, however, if a single type handler is registered to handle Java type, it will be used by default in the result map using this Java type, that is even without include null JDBC type equal true. MyBatis-config.xml example type handler Java. For example, we can consider this: could not set property output of a class java.land.integer with value 55 cause org.apache.ibatis.reflection exception. There is no setter for the property named output in class java.land.integer. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.